Amazon
Can't afford
Travel
one
Gym.
of those really expensive sanitizing closets or steam closets. I found this Mojoko portable dryers.
This portable dryer can dry your clothes in 20 minutes.
It can hold up to 9 clothes all at once.
It's great to be used for delicate fabrics, baby clothes, and much more.
It has a timer function which can be set up to 7 hours plus a UV light to sanitize your clothes while drying.
It has a hook that allows you to hang it, but if you don't have a rod, don't worry. It comes with this to snap onto a door and you can hang your dryer. It also has a quiet operation unlike the other dryer. It's so compact and portable that you can take it with you when you're traveling, or you can just store it in the cabinet.
Follow for more.